Hello, this is Russell, the education specialist at the Tate Geological Museum, and today I'm going to talk to you just a little bit about a mineral called Trona. And the story of Trona begins about 50 million years ago when southwestern Wyoming was covered by enormous freshwater lakes. And as those lakes evaporated, they became more and more concentrated. They got saltier and saltier, and the dissolved minerals started to precipitate out and collect on the bottom of the lake. Minerals including gypsum and anhydrite, and also this stuff, Trona. Trona can be identified by its silky, prismatic luster, and it is mined in several places around the world, but 2/3 of all the Trona that's mined commercially is mined right here in Wyoming. And it's the third most important geological resource in Wyoming after coal and oil. Trona is used as a detergent, and it's also used as a glass hardener to keep glass from scratching as easily, and it's also used in the manufacture of soda ash. The soda ash, in turn, is used in the manufacture of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. So if you've ever eaten a brownie or a cookie or a cake, you may very well have eaten Wyoming's geological resources.